Okay, so welcome to the next topic, that is window presentation style. Okay, so in this topic we are going to learn about the different presentation style. We are having two presentation style. One is style presentation, second is overlapping presentation. Now let's see how the very first question comes in our mind, that why these presentation styles are required. The presentation styles are required because imagine if you are having a number of windows on the same screen. Okay, if you are having two, three, four, five number of screen on the same windows on the same screen. If you are having two, three, four, five, that is, we are having multiple windows on the same screen. Then how we are going to manage it? How our screen is going to manage those windows? Okay, so we must be able to present these window in such a way that we should be accessible. These windows are accessible to the user at any point of time. Okay, so basically we are having two types of presentation style. One is the tiled presentation and the second is overlapping presentation. Okay, that is the style, that is tiled presentation style, and the second is overlapping presentation style. In early windowing days, most system commonly used one or the other style exclusively, send them with the both at the same time. Okay, now the user is usually permitted to select the style to be presented on the display. If you will find, if you are using the Windows operating system, then in the toolbar or in the bottom, at the bottom, if you click the right click, if you perform right click, then there is the option of cascading windows, overlapping windows and tiled windows. So we are having options available. Okay, so now these options are available to the user also, that in which presentation style user want to see the different kinds of windows. Okay, so let us see the different types of presentation styles of windows. Okay, let us start with the first one, that is the tile window. Okay, as you can see in the diagram, if you are having that the size of screen, then we have displayed we have presented four windows in a single screen. Okay, so this kind of presentation is called as the tiled window. If you have seen in our home that if we construct a home and we put some kind of tiles. Okay, so those tiles are one after another, one after another. Okay, one, then on the right hand side the second will be there. Okay, so the border will match, the design will match, the pattern will match. Okay, so in the same way the tile windows are managed in this way only. All the windows are given equal space to open and to show their options, and the menu bar, the title bar, whatever options are available in that particular window, so those are given equal spaces to all the windows. Okay, the tile windows derive from the name, from the common floor or the wall tile what we have seen. The tile window appear in one plane on the screen and expand or contract to fill up the display surfaces as needed. Okay, for example, if you are having two windows. Okay, so the two window will take according to the tile window presentation style. If you are having two windows, then they will take 50%, 50%. Okay, if you are having four windows, then they will take 25% each. Okay, so most system provide two-dimensional tile windows adjustable in both height and width. Okay, you can use it. Some less powerful system are only one-dimensional adjustable in that particular way only. Okay, so the tile windows are having a presentation style. As you can see in the diagram, they are having equal spaces. All the windows will be having equal spaces. Okay, next is advantages. Okay, for all the presentation style, we'll see the advantages and the disadvantages. So starting with the advantages. Okay, what are the different advantages of the tile windows presentation? The system usually allocate and position windows for the user, eliminating the necessity to make positioning decision. Okay, so it is up to the uh, initially it is up to the system, that how it is managing different number of windows on the same screen. Okay, open windows are always visible, eliminating the possibility of them being lost and forgotten. Okay, if you are having four windows, example, if you are having four windows, then all the windows are visible. Okay, all the windows are visible and which can be seen by the user. Okay, and they can access and the options available on that particular window. Okay, so there is less chance of being lost and forgotten. Every window is always completely visible, eliminating the possibility of information being hidden. Okay, so all information of the window is visible almost, and the less chances of being hidden. Okay, and they are perceived as less complex than overlapping windows, possibly because they are fewer management operation or they seem less magical. So they are easier according to the studies for inexperienced user, for the user who is not having more information about the windows, how to use it, what are the different operation, what are the different options available in that particular window. So for these kind of user, for this kind of people to learn and use, they are easier. They yield better user experience and performance for the task, while where the data requires the little window manipulation to complete the task. Okay, so these can be different advantages of using tile windows. Let us see the disadvantages. Only a limited number of window can be displayed in the screen area available. Okay, as you can see that we have displayed four window in a single screen. On a single screen we have displayed four windows. Okay, okay, just imagine if you'll increase the number of windows, then the information will be less. The information which is visible will become less and less and less, and it goes on. Okay, right now right now the screen is divided into four quadrant because of the four windows. Okay, imagine if you are having six imagine if you are having six window, then the percentage of sharing will be also less. Okay, so you can imagine the screen is 100% and it will be divided into six window, so the percentage of screen or the space which will come into one window will be very less. Okay, so as you will increase the number of window, so it will be a very massive like thing. Okay, so we cannot increase more number of windows in the tile presentation. The second disadvantage, as windows are open or closed, existing windows change in size. Okay, we are having four windows in a single screen. If we close one window, then the size will get changed. Okay, if we close another window, if we will close two window, now the screen will resize, and the screen will be divided into 50-50%. Okay, third, as windows change in size or position, the movement can be disconcerting. Okay, we have seen that we have closed the screen, so the size of the window has got changed. Okay, if we'll add the window, imagine we are having four windows. Okay, we are having four windows, and now if we'll increase the window, then size will also get changed. Okay, and the moment of the window will also be done. Okay, so like the window number one was present in the second quadrant, now it has shifted to the second quadrant because of the number of windows has been increased. Okay, so there will be size or position change. Okay, so the moment of the size and change, then it will change, then it will be disconcerting, or we can say it will not be feasible for the user to focus on particular window. Okay, the next is, as the number of displayed windows increases, each window can get very tiny. Okay, as we have already seen that if we divide the screen into four quadrant, because we are having four windows, then the one screen is getting 25% of the screen. One window is getting 25% of the screen. So if one screen is getting 25% of the screen, then in 25% of the screen, what information can be displayed? Okay, so as you go on increasing the number of windows, the windows goes tiny and tiny. Okay, the changes in sizes and location made by the system are difficult to predict. Okay, we cannot predict that how many number of windows are required in the future. So what will be the size and what will be the position of that particular window. So it is quite offending. The configuration of windows provided by the system may not meet the user's need. This is also possible. They are perceived as crowded and more visually complex. Crowded and more visually complex because we are going to display more number of windows on a single screen. So it becomes crowdy and the visual complexity will be more. There is a possibility that the borders are flushed against one another, so you will not identify the border of first window, that whether this is the border of the first window or the second window. Okay, they permit less user control because the system actively manages the window. Okay, so the options will be available to the user very less. Okay, so these are some possible disadvantages of using the tiled window. Coming to the next one, the next type of presentation style of window is overlapping window. Okay, overlapping windows may be placed on the top of one another like papers are placed on the desk. Okay, so in the same way, the first paper is placed on the bottom, we'll place the second paper on the first one, we'll place the third paper on the second one, we'll place the fourth paper on the third one, and so on. So this method or this presentation style is called as overlapping method or overlapping uh, presentation. So the windows are placed and windows are presented in the overlapping manner. Okay, they possesses a three-dimensional quality appearing to lie on different planes. As you can see in the diagram, that the first window which is on the bottom, you can see the first window is on the top, then on the right hand side there's a second one, then behind the second there's a third, then fourth, then fifth, and so on. Okay, so this is called overlapping presentation. User can control the location of these windows as well as the plane in which they appear. If you click on the second window, then the second window will be acting as the first window, and you can access the options available on the window. Okay, so if you click on the last window, then it will come on the first plane. Okay, it will come on the first row. Okay, the size of the size of some types of may also got changed. Most system today normally they uses this style of windows. Okay, so this is the overlapping window introduction. We'll see the advantages, what advantages we are having with the overlapping windows. So visually, their look is three-dimensional, resembling the desktop that is familiar to the user. So basically, if you will see, so all the windows are still visible, but not all the portion of the windows are visible. Some portion of the windows is visible only, and the remaining portion is hidden behind the upper window. Okay, in the same way, the example what we have seen, the second window is behind the first one, so the portion of the second window is some portion of the second window is visible and the remaining portion is hidden behind the first one. Okay, greater control allows the user to organize the windows to meet his or her need. Windows can maintain larger sizes, windows can maintain consistent sizes, windows can maintain consistent position, and so on. Screen space conservation is not a problem over here, because as we have seen in the tiled presentation style, because windows can be placed on the top of one another, and there is a less pressure to close or delete window no longer needed. In that particular, that is the tile presentation. If we want to work simultaneously, we want to work on two windows, then we can maximally we can use 3 or 4 windows at a time. Okay, but here it is not a problem. We are not having more pressure to close or delete particular window, that if we close this window, then the information will be visible quite good. So there's no so there's nothing like that. We can see all the information at a time. The possibility exists for less visual crowding and complexity, because if you click on any window, so it will come on the top layer, so you can access all the options which are available, all the area. We can use all the area which is present on the screen. You can maximize it, you can use the full area, and you can use it. Okay, so The possibility exists for less visual crowding. Okay, so the crowding is there, but we are managing that crowding. Larger borders can be maintained around window information, and the window is more clearly set off against its background. Now windows can also be expanded to fill the entire display. Okay, if you want to see any window with its full size, then you can do so in the overlapping presentation style. They yield better performance for tasks where the data requires much window manipulation to complete the task. You can just switch to another window, you can do the task, switch to another window, can do the different task, and so on. Okay, so these are few considerable advantages of overlapping windows presentation style. Come to the disadvantages of the overlapping window. So they are operationally much more complex than tiled window. As you can see in the tiled window, we are having all the windows in front of us. Okay, so there's nothing like hide and seek game. Okay, there's not a single window which is behind any other window. Okay, so all the window which are available are in front of you only. So it was very simple. But in the overlapping one, though operationally much more complex than the tiled window. More control functions require greater user attention and manipulation. Okay, because you need to remember that which position which window is present. Okay, so you need to manage it properly. Information in window can be obscured behind other window. Okay, so the information, if it is present on any other window, even on the window number one, then it will be hidden, and it will be what we can say obscured behind other window. So the information what the window is displaying will be hidden behind any other window. Okay, and you cannot see it until you will click on that particular window. So window themselves can be lost behind other windows and be presumed not to exist. Okay, so you will be at some time or in some situation you will forgot that you are having one more window which is behind this window. Okay, so the information what is showing that window will be lost, may be lost temporarily. The overlapping window represent a three-dimensional space is not always realized by the user. Control freedom increases the possibility of greater visual complexity and crowding. Too many windows or improper offsetting can be visually overwhelming. Okay, so these are possible disadvantages what we can say for the overlapping windows. Okay, so these are the two kind of windows what we can have in our Windows operating system. For the, we call it as a different presentation style. Okay, that is the tile presentation, and the second is overlapping presentation style. The third one, very strange, because we know that we are having only two type, that is tile presentation style, and the second is overlapping presentation style. But this is the third one, that is cascading windows. Okay, so cascading windows presentation style is a special type of overlapping windows in which the window automatically arrange in a regular progression. As you can see in the diagram, we were having five different windows on the screen. When we click or when we select the cascading windows presentation style option, that will display all the windows in this manner. Each window is slightly offset from others. As you can see in this presentation style, you can see all the windows available to you. Okay, like cascading, some part was hidden, some part was shown to you. Okay, in the same way, in the cascading windows presentation style, all the windows, you can see all the windows are presented to you. Okay, one behind another, but you can see that the window is present behind the second, the first one, the second, the third is present behind the second one, the fifth is present behind the third one, and so on. Okay, so this is the cascading windows presentation style. Okay, the cascading windows presentation style having few advantages I just mentioned over here. No window is ever completely hidden. Okay, so all the windows are visible to the user. Some portion of the window is still available. Bringing any window to the front is very easier. You click on that particular window and that window will come to the front row. It provides simplicity in visual presentation and cleanness. Okay, as you can see in this presentation style, all the windows are in the very well managed manner. Okay, so all windows are well managed and they are, the cleanness you will find over here is very good. In the overlapping presentation style, you will find all the windows were scattered on the screen, but in this that is in the cascading style, cascading windows presentation style, you will file on the windows in the very good manner. Okay, so this is all about all the presentation style. We can say windows presentation style. One is the tile presentation style, second is overlapping presentation style, the third is cascading windows presentation style. Okay, thank you so much.